Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by putting on gloves and a respirator. Safety first, but move on quickly. Apply a small pea-sized amount of metal polish to a microfiber or cotton cloth. Working on a hidden test area for 30-60 seconds confirms compatibility. Once done, check for discoloration. Use circular motions and light pressure. You want to lift tarnish, not grind the surface. Make sure to keep the cloth clean, folding to a fresh face as grit accumulates, and continue until the area shows a dull, even sheen. Once the test spot looks good, work in small 4x4-inch sections so you maintain control and consistent results. If you use a rotary pad, set the speed low, about 1,000 to 2,000 RPM, and keep the pad moving to avoid heat buildup. Apply steady, even pressure and revisit the same spot with a fresh cloth to remove polish residue. Make sure to inspect each section at different angles. Light reveals remaining haze, so repeat passes only until the surface reflects evenly without streaks or pits. You finish by thoroughly buffing with a clean, dry microfiber cloth until the metal mirrors the light. Once done, apply a protective wax or clear lacquer if you want longer-lasting protection. Follow cure times on the label. If small scratches persist, address them with a finer abrasive or polish grade, and then repeat the polishing and buffing sequence. One key troubleshooting tip: if polishing creates haze or gritty marks, stop, clean the surface, switch to a softer pad, and reduce pressure, then continue slowly to avoid.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.